What is the next number of the following? 5a. It means this is actually the hexadecimal number. So let's convert into decimal. 5a, 5 times 16, and a refer 10 times 16, 0, 1. So this is 10 and 5 times 16 is 80. So this is 90 in decimal number. The next number obviously plus 1, it means 91. So the 90 number hexadecimal will be the next following of 5a. Now it's time to convert the 91 into hexadecimal. So 91 need to be divided by 16. So 5 times 16 is 80. So 91 minus 80 is 11. Again, 5 divided by 16 is 0. So it will be 5. B refer 11. So 11 represents B and 5. So 5a of 16, and the next following number will be 5b. So this is the answer. What is the next value in the sequence 5, 8, and b? So this is actually the hexadecimal number. There is no doubt because b is here, hexadecimal number. And the interval 8 to 5 is 3. So 8 to b, of course, interval will be same. So this will be 3. So b represents 11. So this is correct. From 8 to b is 3 interval. And the next following 11, 12, 13, and 14. So this should be 14. 14 represents the value is E. So answer will be E. What is the preceding number of FF16? It means this is actually the hexadecimal number, and the meaning of preceding means the previous number of FF16. So previous means if it is FF here 16, so what is the number here? The previous of FF number will be what? We have to determine this value. Let's convert this value into decimal. So F means 15 times 16 plus 15 times 16. So this is 0 and this is 1. So we'll get the value of 255 in decimal format, right? So the previous number of 255 is 254. It means we have to subtract from 255. We'll get 254. This is the decimal value. Now we have to convert this value into hexadecimal. So 254 we have to divide by 16. So if we divide 254 by 16, so it will be 15. So 15 times 16 means 240. 254 minus 240 means 14. So remainder will be 14. And again 16 divided by 15 is 0. So it will be 15. As we convert it into hexadecimal, so the value of 14 in hexadecimal will be E, and 15 hexadecimal will be F. So from MSB to LSB FE 16. So if F of 16, the previous value will be FE, or the preceding number of FF in hexadecimal is FE. So this is the answer. What is the next value in the sequence? 4, then 8, then C. So of course, this is hexadecimal number. So what will be next to C in hexadecimal, of course? So the value of 4 hexa and decimal. So hexa 4, 8 and C. So decimal value will be 4, it will be 8, and this will be 12, right? So the interval is 4, right? 4. So the next number will be added, 4 will be 16. So this 16 of decimal number, what will be the hexadecimal number? This is our target to determine, right? To convert now the 16 of decimal number into the hexadecimal number. By the rules, the 16 need to be divided by 16 as the base number of hexadecimal, convert to hexadecimal number. So this will be 1 and the remainder will be 0. Again, we have to divide by 16. Here 0 and remainder is 1. So MSB to LSB, the value will be 10, right? So this value is 10 is in hexadecimal number. So the next value of C will be 10, not 10, by the way. This is 10.